Want to add product reviews to your Shopify store the right way? Today we'll set up Luke's end-to-end, every section, every setting. Dashboard, manage reviews, collect reviews, widgets, branding, integrations, the whole thing. By the end, your storefront will display real reviews on every product, with automatic email collection running in the background. Reviews are the single biggest trust signal a product page has. We're doing this properly. Let's go. Open your Shopify admin and head to Apps, then click Luke's Reviews. This is the Luke's dashboard, your home base for everything reviews. First-time visitors see a prompt to add Luke's to the theme. We'll cover that properly in the next step. We're closing it for now and touring the dashboard. Notice the 4-step setup checklist on the left side of the page. Step 1. Enable Luke's in Shopify. Step 2. Add widgets to display reviews on your storefront. Step 3. Import existing reviews or start collecting new ones. Step 4. Match the widgets to your store design. We'll walk through every one of these in order, so by the end, the checklist will be fully green. On the left sidebar, you can also see the main app navigation. Manage reviews, collect reviews, widgets, referrals, upsell, and settings. Step 1 is enabling the Luke's core script on your theme. This is the most important step. Without it, no widgets render on the storefront, no matter how you configure them. Click Enable the Luke's core script. It's the dark button right under the first checklist item. Shopify opens the theme editor in a new tab with the Luke's app embed pre-selected. You'll see a single toggle labeled Luke's core script. Flip it on. Hit Save in the top right corner, then come back to the dashboard. That's it for the core script. Every storefront page now loads the Luke's runtime. Any widget you add from here on will work immediately. Skip this step and you'll spend an hour wondering why your widgets are invisible. Happens to everyone the first time. Click Manage Reviews in the left sidebar. This is the inventory page for every review your store has collected. 2 tabs at the top, Product Reviews and Store Reviews. Product reviews are tied to a specific item in your catalog, Heritage Cotton Tea, for example. Store reviews rate the brand or the buying experience overall, not a single product. Right now we're empty. No reviews collected yet since this is a fresh install. Luke's offers 2 starting points. Send a manual request to a single customer or import existing reviews from elsewhere. If you're switching from another reviews app, import is how you bring your history with you so your average rating doesn't reset to 0. Send manual request is great for early traction. Pick 5 recent customers, email them directly. Once reviews start flowing here, this page becomes your moderation queue. Feature, hide, reply, filter. Click Collect Reviews. This is where the automation lives. 5 tabs across the top of the page: emails and scheduling, review requests, discounts, review form, and preferences. Each tab shapes a different part of the request flow that Luke's runs in the background. Emails and scheduling. When emails go out, what they say, what's in them. Review requests. The rules for what triggers a request, paid orders, fulfilled orders, custom triggers. Discounts. The coupon code you offer in exchange for a photo review. Review form. What the customer actually sees when they click through. Rating, text, photo upload, custom questions. Preferences. Publishing rules. The public review link. QR codes, product groups, moderation defaults. We're going to deep dive the Emails tab since it's the one most stores need to tune. First card on the Emails tab, Review Request Timing. Default is 14 days after fulfillment. That means Luke's waits 14 days from when the order ships, then sends the customer an email asking for a review. Why the delay? Customers need to actually use the product before they can review it. For consumables like coffee or skincare, 7 days might be right. For durable goods like furniture or electronics, 21 or 30 days gives a more meaningful review. Click the drop-down and pick whatever fits your category. Right below, there's a toggle to use different timing for domestic versus international orders. International shipping is slower. Your domestic customers get the email at day 7, international customers at day 21, and so on. Adjust this once based on your category and forget about it. Below the timing card, the 4 automated emails Luke sends. Email 1, Review Request, the first ask, sent at the timing you just set. It introduces the customer to the review flow and gives them a one-click link. Email 2, Review Request Reminder, a follow-up to customers who didn't respond to the first email. Studies show reminders triple total review collection. Don't disable this one. Email 3, Photo Reminder, nudges customers who left a text-only review to add a photo. Photo reviews convert dramatically better. They're worth specifically asking for. Email 4, Discount Reminder for Photo Review, offers a coupon code in exchange for adding a photo to an existing review. Each row has an edit button on the right that opens the email template. Subject line, body, branding, all editable. Looks' defaults are well written and stay deliverable. For most stores, leaving them untouched and turning your brand logo on is enough. Heavy customization comes later, once you have signal on which emails are working. Click Widgets in the left sidebar. This is where you pick what gets displayed on your storefront. 3 widget types ship with Luke's. First, the Reviews widget, the full review gallery you place on a product page with photos, ratings, text, and search. It's the main attraction, what customers actually scroll through to read what other people thought. Second, the Star Rating widget, a compact badge showing the average stars and total review count. You drop this near the product title or the Add to Cart button so customers see the social proof at a glance before they even scroll. Third, the Pop-up widget, a dynamic pop-up that appears on storefront pages and surfaces relevant reviews while the customer browses. Each card has Customize and Add to Theme buttons. Customize tunes the look, layout, colors, fonts. Add to Theme drops the widget into your storefront. We'll customize the Reviews widget next. Click Customize on the Reviews widget card. This opens the Luke's widget editor inside the Shopify theme customizer. On the left panel, you control layout, grid, list, side-by-side, masonry. Pick what fits your product page. Below layout, you adjust colors and typography. By default, Luke's inherits your theme's font, but you can override it here. The Call to Action button, Write a Review, has its own color, padding, and label. Star color, badge style, sort order, filters, everything tunable. When you're happy, hit Save in the top right. We'll come back to the dashboard and continue the tour. Last sidebar item, Settings. 3 sub-tabs across the top of the page, Branding, Integrations, and General. We're starting with Branding. This is where Luke's stops looking like a generic third-party app and starts feeling like part of your store. First field, Logo. Click Choose a File and upload your brand logo. Use the same logo you already use on emails and the storefront. Keep the brand consistent. Below the logo, the Star Rating section. Pick the shape, classic 5-point star, heart, thumbs up. Luke supports a few variants. Pick the fill color. The hex input lets you match your brand exactly. Paste in the same color you use for your buy buttons. Then corner style. This controls the roundedness of every Luke's card across all widgets. 4 options: sharp, slightly rounded, rounded, and extra rounded. Click Rounded if your theme has soft buttons. Click Sharp if your store is editorial or luxury. Straight corners feel premium. Click the Integrations tab, second from the left, right next to Branding. This is where Luke's plugs into the rest of your stack. Klaviyo and MailChimp pull review data into your email flows. That means an abandoned cart email can carry the average rating of the abandoned product, and post-purchase emails can show photo galleries from real customers. Google Shopping pushes your reviews into product results, raising your click-through rate from search. Meta and Pinterest catalog feeds carry star ratings into ads. The same review you collected once now boosts every paid impression. TikTok Shop, Klar, loyalty apps. Most major Shopify plugins have a Looks connector. Toggle on whatever you already use. Each connection is a 5-second authorization, then it works in the background forever. Don't go overboard on day 1. Turn on the 2 or 3 you actually use. Last tab, General Settings. Localization controls at the top, the language Loox uses on widgets and emails. If your store sells to multiple countries with different languages, you'll set per local variants here so each market sees its own translation. Below that, the moderation block. 3 modes: auto-publish all reviews, only publish ratings above a threshold, or hold every review for manual approval. If you're a brand new store, manual approval gives you a buffer against unfair early reviews. Once you have 100 reviews, switch to auto-publish. Moderating manually doesn't scale. Below moderation, 2 more useful blocks: data export for backups and for moving review data into a warehouse, and team access for granting permissions to staff. Don't worry about every toggle on day 1. Loox's defaults are sane. Come back here once a quarter to revisit moderation rules as your volume grows. That's the full Loox setup walked through end to end. Core script enabled in your theme, automated emails scheduled, branding tuned to your store, and every settings tab covered. One last manual step we didn't record: drop the Loox widget onto your product page from Online Store, Themes, Customize. Click Add Block in the section under your product description, search Loox, pick the Reviews block, and save. Reload any product page and your reviews appear. That's the loop closed. If you're shipping a new store, do this on day 1. Review collection compounds dramatically over time. Subscribe for more Shopify walkthroughs. Catch you in the next one.